तुम चाहते क्या हो? The first thing in Shiva Yoga, we start with our worldly desires. But when I say, what is it you want? Tum chahte kya ho? The first desire should be, I must be able to transform myself. I must be able to create very strong positive belief system in me. Now, whatever you are today is the flow of energy. Like the quantum physics says, every matter is nothing but energy, is shunya. But how we see the physical form, it is the flow of energy. Now, whether I look very fair or I look very dark is because of the flow of energy pattern. I look very tall and I look very short is I am very healthy or I am very sick is flow of energy pattern. I am very loving or I am very conky is again a flow of energy. Let us understand. And what controls this flow of energy? I just said. Come on, your exam. Let me hear from everyone. Consciousness, the chitti, the shakti which is there in your dormant form. And if we can have access to that shakti, then we can change the flow of energy, we can control the flow of energy, and if we master that, we can change our life, we can control our life. Shiva Yoga, the great masters, they always said, I am the creator of my own destiny. मैं ही अपने भाग्य का विधाता हूं. Shiva Yoga is knowingness. Shiva Yoga is knowingness. From henceforth, you will utilize that inbuilt phenomena which you have within you, but from now onward, you are going to create your destiny knowingly. It will take gradual time. The speed at which you are moving, it has to stop, it has to come to the neutral, and then it will take a direction in which you want your life and your destiny to move on to. So first of all, the foremost and the important thing which controls the vibrations and flow of energy is your emotions. Is what? Your emotions. Now, anything which is happening, either emotionally you can feel happy, or anything which is happening emotionally you can feel very suspicious. Now, if you are feeling happy emotionally, very strong, happiness will sustain, it will remain. And if emotionally you are feeling suspicious, then some problem will keep cropping in. If emotionally you are disturbed, the disturbance is bound to come because it is a phenomena of the science, the quantum physics. Every matter is nothing but the flow of energy. And who is creating, who is contributing in direction of flow of energy is my emotion. Of course, the most stronger is my consciousness. It is that consciousness which controls, but one of the factor which even if I am a yogi or I am not a yogi, that contributing factor is my emotion. Now, if anything happening around and you have an emotion of appreciation, anybody doing something you appreciate, then what will happen? A lot of people are going to appreciate to you. And if anyone is doing anything and you are suspicious, the flow of energy is going to create, and you will find everyone is suspicious towards you. That's why the Shiva Yogis, they always says, it is in your hand, either feel sad or feel happy.